5312 Bassey Road, Riverview Ranch. Riverview Ranch in Lotus, California, a paradise unto itself, surrounded by beauty and filled with soul. Riverview Ranch is more than 39 extremely private acres in the Lotus Coloma Valley. The ranch is caressed by the South Fork of the American River, where you can dip your hook or throw your raft in. From here, you have over 1,000 feet of unshared private river frontage, where you can view more than a mile of the South Fork of the American River, including Baki Hill and Lotus Valley. The 60 by 50 foot fully insulated shop is completely off the grid and designed to support heavy loads with both a solar array and an ultra-quiet diesel generator. It can be expanded if ever needed, but you won't be receiving a utility bill anytime soon. There's a finished restroom with sink, toilet, and walk-in shower. And if the shop isn't comfy enough for you, there's an RV hookup. Now, Riverview Ranch is for equestrian lovers, complete with an arena and a 24 by 36 foot barn. The barn has 2 fully matted stalls, a 12 by 12 fully matted hay storage, completely enclosed tack room, 4 fully fenced and hot wired pastures, fresh water supply, and a wash rack. The property has plenty of shaded walking and riding trails throughout, and never-ending eye candy. There's a nice little spot that has big potential for building your future home. This area overlooks the property and the amazing American River. Lay down roots and let time slow down here at Riverview Ranch.